Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I understand that the honourable member's question is premised on the Auditor General's report. That's what it's coming from, without, of course, fully understanding and reading the report. What is really interesting, and again, this is what we're talking about, the incompetency in the Auditor General's office. It says, and I'd like to read the extract, Auditor General's report. It says, MEH stated SLA is ideal, and MEH IT department liaised with ITCS to draw up an SLA. However, one of the disadvantages of SLAs, service level agreements, could be that sometimes it can make service worse because they can let the provider take the full amount of time specified in the SLA. If the provider is allowed 3 days to fix something that takes 5 minutes, then the provider will probably take 3 days. This is the Auditor General's report. Attention needs to be given to non-compliance and how this will be captured in the SLA. Given that there is no contractual relationship between MEHA and ITC, except that they are both part of the same government machinery, and the ITC responsibilities are mandated through the legislation, it may be difficult to put in place an SLA, Honourable Member. However, notwithstanding having observed all of that, Auditor General in their wisdom comes up and says, MEHA, in consultation with ITCS, should consider having SLA or MOU on the type of service that will be provided by ITCS, that will be MEHA's responsibilities. Unfortunately, Honourable Member, in your quick win to try and score some points, you overlooked and did not read the report itself. Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry for Lands pays the lease in the allocation for all the land that government leases from Itauke Land Trust Board. They're different ministries. But we don't have a service level agreement between Ministry of Lands and, say, Ministry of Rural Development, where they may have some government stations. They don't have an SLA between themselves. We have Ministry of Economy paying all the rental for all the government offices we rent. They don't have an SLA between them. It's part of government. So obviously you don't need an SLA. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you. Honourable